Welcome to Optivise. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to transform your live Mirakl products into fully optimized listings. First, log into your Mirakl account and click Catalog Management. Select the products you want or your entire catalog and click Generate Export File. When the file is ready, download it, open it in Excel and save it. This step is important to ensure we can correctly process your data. Next, switch to Optivise, log in and click Upload a file. Choose Mirakl Export, then choose the marketplace where your data originated. Select your saved file and hit Upload. Processing takes about 5 seconds per SKU. When processing finishes, click View Scores to see each product's listing quality score. To begin full optimization, press Optivise. It takes roughly 30 seconds per SKU. You can close the page and we'll email you when it's done. Once optimization completes, you can review each product by clicking on it. Here you can see a drill. Optivise has rewritten its titles and descriptions so it ranks better in search, and used the information provided to fill in missing attributes, which creates a more detailed and better converting listing. After review, your products are now ready to be imported. Click Download XLSX or CSV to export your Optivise data. Finally, return to your Mirakl dashboard, navigate to Catalog, then Product Imports. Upload your optimized file and you're finished. Your marketplace-ready listings are accepted and will be live shortly. Ready to get started? Try 3 SKUs for free at optivise.io.